The Galactic Dominion ruled over 10,000 star systems. Their ships were elegant, their technology flawless, their history uncontested. To them, humanity was a curiosity, a loud, chaotic species born on a death world of storms, earthquakes, and predators. Earth was studied, catalogued, judged. Human wars shocked the Council. So did human recovery. Plagues failed. Climate collapse failed. Extinction-level events failed. Humans survived everything. That scared them. So the Dominion did what it always did with potential threats: containment. No expansion beyond Sol. No military fleets. No experimental drives. No alliances. Human diplomats signed, not because they agreed, but because they needed time. For decades, humanity appeared peaceful. Trade flowed. Culture spread. Music, art, stories. But behind the curtain, Earth changed. Cities moved underground. Asteroids were hollowed out. Shipyards were hidden beyond sensor range. While the galaxy slept, humanity prepared. The first human ship entered Dominion space without warning. No hyperspace ripple, no warp signature. It simply appeared. Black hull, brutal design, no ornamentation. The name painted on its side was simple: Indomitable. Dominion patrol ships surrounded it. "This space is restricted," the commander warned. "You are in violation of treaty law." The human response was calm. "We are done waiting." The patrol fired. Energy beams struck the hull and did nothing. The human ship accelerated violently, ignoring every known limit. Railguns fired. Metal tore through shields never designed for impact warfare. Within seconds, the patrol was gone. The Indomitable transmitted one message across Dominion space: "We are no longer contained," and vanished. The Dominion responded with force. Fleets mobilized, borders fortified. The Third Grand Armada was dispatched. 400 warships, enough to erase civilizations. They found the Indomitable waiting, surrounded, weapons charged. The first volley lit the stars. When the light cleared, the human ship remained. Then space itself folded. Not warp, not hyperspace. Reality bent. Hundreds of human ships emerged, angular, fast, deadly. They did not fight in formations. They hunted. Railguns shattered flagships, missiles overwhelmed defenses, boarding parties crippled command ships. The Third Armada broke. For the first time in history, Dominion ships fled. Fear consumed the Dominion. So they chose extinction. A stellar weapon was activated. Target: Sol. If humanity could not be controlled, it would be erased. Human sensors detected it instantly. Evacuation protocols triggered. But the fleet did not retreat. They advanced. The largest human armada ever assembled intercepted the weapon fleet. Thousands of ships. The battle was absolute chaos. Stars burned. Ships died by the hundreds. Humans sacrificed vessels to shield civilians. Railguns fired until barrels melted. Missiles ran out. Still, they pushed forward. The stellar weapon was destroyed seconds before activation. Earth lived. The Dominion's hope died. Systems declared independence overnight. Dominion governors surrendered without resistance. The Emperor abdicated. Not executed, forgotten. Humanity did not conquer the galaxy. They stabilized it. No forced rule, no tribute, no cages. Only one law was broadcast across the stars. No species will ever be contained again.